sister was one of several relatives with whom the alleged suspect tried to make contact early Friday morning from an unknown number. It appears she was also the only relative who was willing to give him a listening ear. An 18-minute phone call placed to the victim's sister from the suspect's phone at 9:23 Friday morning revealed that the seemingly kind resident who Khanice trusted with her daily commute could have been the last person to see her alive.
So you are the last person to see her. You're the last person to see her, Robert. I'm begging you. May I aid you for just come forth and say what you know, so them not hunt you down. May I tell you, because the whole world I look for her.
And I will do that. But alright, let me tell you.
Yes, please.
I tell you again from start. I never carry her. Last week I never carry her.
Right, but we're talking about Wednesday.
The mechanic who plies his trade at a popular car dealership in the corporate area also admitted to having an altercation with the victim the same morning she disappeared. He recounted an alleged incident at the bus stop.
You know, me and her out there because me can't go carry her and she away from our bus. So, she, you know, look at she walk and she push me. I said, what should I say? I don't want to pretend my life on her. She said something. And me push her back and said, I said, man, but I look around, so this boy look like him know her. Him know, him own me and start choke me up and do me all kind of something. So eventually, me lick him back and me lick him in his face and them something there and hold him round him neck. And
so no one's fighting out at the bus stop?
Huh?
How the guy look?
This is it, no, I don't know him. So I don't necessarily know him. But if I go to the bus stop and if me to see him again, which he never look like him, I go nowhere either.
He was picked up Friday afternoon by the Halfway Tree police and is now in custody.
And she have something like this disagreement now, you know. That is when everything turned out with me and him, and she said, I think I spoke to someone on our kind of fight outside. And me go with the two of them.
Meanwhile, several pleas for him during the conversation to declare his full name and contact seemed to anger him. However, he insisted that was the last time he saw Khanice. Nika Lewis, CVM Live.